Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Breville BCG 820 BSS coffee grinder. This grinder changed my coffee game. I went through all of the phases of coffee drinking, starting out clueless drinking sugary Starbucks crap. Then progressing to drinking actual coffee by getting my own drip coffee maker. Then realizing maybe a French press was better, and then oh snap, I need to grind the beans fresh. Then progressing to espresso and getting an espresso maker. Precision Digital Time allows you to adjust and program grind time in 0.2 seconds increments, giving you total control and a perfect dose every time. A clear and concise LCD screen shows grind setting, grind time and number of shots or cups you have selected. With so many intuitive grind settings to choose from, you can create perfection from espresso to French press. Intelligent settings help your grinder achieve perfect results regardless of how fine or coarse you require your beans. The Smart Grinder Pro pairs well with Breville's Dual Boiler, the ultimate machine for the at-home barista who demands precise control over every element when taking beans to their fullest potential. 18-ounce coffee bean capacity with locking system for easy removal, storage, and transfer of the bean hopper. Our second best French press coffee grinder is Hario Ceramic Coffee Mill. It's a long story why I have two hand grinders. One is a real hero and the other is a copy. One works, one doesn't. They're both identical except the ceramic grinder. The Hario that's great works great. It costs more than the other versions Hario produces but corrects the problems that customers complain they have. It is very easy to use, easy to clean and easy to adjust the grinder. I am enjoying the ritual of grinding every morning. Manual coffee mill grinds beans to your desired texture. Ceramic conical burrs ensure a precise, uniform grind. Non-slip rubber base keeps the mill in place during grinding. Ergonomically designed crank handle detaches for compact storage and easy travel. Stepped grind adjustment mechanism is easy to use and change. Third choice in our list is Java Pressa Manual Coffee Grinder. The exterior components are crafted of heavyweight stainless steel from the bottom up to the hand crank. Each component feels sturdy and long-lasting. The grinder breaks down into three pieces: bottom reservoir, upper reservoir, cap, and the hand crank. Since this grinder utilizes burr technology, the beans will not be heated during the grinding process like they would from a traditional bladed grinder. Additionally, the particle size is uniform as the grinds only fall to the bottom reservoir once they are small enough to fall through the grinding mechanism, ensuring a uniform size on every ground. This is important when brewing to ensure each grind is subjected to the same amount of heat and water during the brew. Inside the grinding mechanism, there is a portion where you turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the ground size. There are no markings to know what size is being produced, so experimenting will be necessary. I'd recommend starting large and then going small, that way you can recycle the larger grounds and continue the process until you've reached an ideal size. The reservoir size is quite small, so if you're using this for cold brew where a large quantity of grounds is necessary, you may need to repeat the process several times. For details, let's watch more.
What keeps us going? What energizes us, revitalizes us, and breathes life into ordinary moments? In a world where there is always something to do, a new responsibility to handle, a new problem to solve, how do you stay grounded? Staying grounded is about making the most of the moments you love. Appreciating the little things that remind you to enjoy life along the way. Life isn't meant to be rushed, and your coffee isn't meant to be hurried. It gives meaning to everyday experiences and fuels you through those stressful moments. That first sip always serves as a reset button. One that makes every situation better, every interaction lighter, and every moment yours. When everything in your life fails, your coffee never should. And with us by your side, we promise it never will.
Number 4 in our side is Capresso Conical Burr Grinder. This is the grinder is used in my home. The quality and consistency of the grind with this grinder, combined with its low noise level and slightly slower speed motor, make it the best value out there for a home grinder. In a cluttered space of grinders available that people can buy for their houses, this should be the only consideration for those who care about the coffee they drink. Conical burr grinders provide the widest range of precision grinding for every type of brewing method, from Turkish, espresso, drip coffee, French press, pour-over brewers and percolators. Commercial-grade conical steel burrs with advanced cutting design for high-precision grinding are produced as matched pairs and hand-assembled in Switzerland for precise fit. Removable upper burr for easy cleaning with the enclosed brush safety lock mechanism ensures grinder does not operate without bean container in place. Innovative gear reduction motor creates less friction and heat, preserving maximum flavor and aroma. Removable upper burr allows access for easy cleaning. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best French press coffee grinder list is Mueller Conical Burr Grinder. This grinder is superbly designed and makes very uniform grind. I'm totally impressed. Here's what's good. The path of the grinds goes straight down from beans, to the burr cone, and down to the container or portafilter, like a professional model. There are no bends or flat sections. Gravity ensures you don't leave ground coffee sitting in the grinder. The conical burr unit separates completely from the unit for easy cleaning. Fantastic. I could not find another that does this. It's got interlocks on every interface to prevent accidental use without all its components. The grind setting has many steps for very precise grind control. It has a 150 watt motor, which is pretty big, and a belt drive from the motor to burr so it's quiet. You can grind directly into an espresso portafilter, like a professional unit. Every time you need to scoop coffee means you are doing transfers, leaving grinds behind. If you go straight into the portafilter, you don't need to scoop or clean another container. Faster, easier, cleaner, better. The auger has extra machining on the blades to crush the beans in progressive steps before the final grind. This likely makes the cone a bit more expensive to make, but ensures a more even grind with less heat buildup. Instead of fiddling with a timer, you press the portafilter against a switch to grind directly into the portafilter, then pull out to stop when you have enough. Very nice. This should be standard on every model. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.